Deep cleaning on Asus X571GT laptop. Thank you to Ma'am Jennifer for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Are you wondering when it's time to give your laptop a deep clean? Or maybe you're looking for tips on how to take care of your laptop to keep it running smoothly. You come to the right place. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your laptop in top condition. Dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate inside your laptop over time, leading to overheating and performance issues. So when should you clean your laptop? If you use your laptop in dusty or dirty environments, such as outdoors or in a workshop, you may need to clean it more often. Similarly, if you have pets, their fur can also clog up your laptop's vents and fans. Take care of your laptop and prevent dust buildup. Here are a few tips. First, avoid eating or drinking near your laptop to minimize the risk of spills. Keep your laptop on a flat, stable surface to ensure proper airflow. And remember to power off your laptop before cleaning to avoid damaging any internal components. Regular deep cleaning can help improve your laptop's performance and extend its lifespan. By removing dust and debris from the internal components, you'll ensure better cooling and airflow, leading to smoother operation and fewer hardware issues. So, whether you're a casual user or a gamer, taking care of your laptop is essential for optimal performance. Follow these tips and your laptop will thank you. Having your laptop cleaned by a professional repair shop can be a good option, especially if you're not comfortable or experienced with DIY cleaning repair shops. Of the expertise and specialized tools needed to safely disassemble and clean your laptop's internals without causing damage. While professional cleaning may come with a cost, it can provide peace of mind knowing that your laptop is in the hands of trained professionals who can properly assess and address its cleaning and maintenance needs. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.